風やばいっすね。この今の瞬間はそんなにあれだけど、すんげえ風。うおー、車が揺れてる。すんげえ。But I'm enjoying it. すんげえ。あれも Sakura tree. All flowers are gone. But that is Sakura tree. It was beautiful some weeks ago. Wow. I'm in a supermarket, by the way, right now. In a supermarket called Yaoko Marketplace. Yeah, on the first floor around there is a supermarket, and on the second floor is an electronic store, along with some other shops, stores, and on the first floor there is a drugstore and some other stores. But mainly this place is a supermarket. The marketplace. I think I'm going out and maybe walk along the river there. You don't see it from here, but and show you how strong wind it is blowing today, April 7th today. Yeah, April 7th, Sunday, and 1:12 now. It indeed is windy, so windy. At this moment, not so windy, but today it is. When I was driving down on the road, Route 20, strong wind, kind of for a moment, check my, how do you say, steering wheel, steering. So I had to hold the steering wheel tight for a moment. It was a bit scary. This is an ordinary Sunday in Japan, in a market, supermarket. Sunny day, though it's so windy. It's a nice day today. And those mountains are, some of them is Mount Takao-san. Yeah, you can see the mountains clearly today. And over the mountains are clouds. But here, there are not so many clouds, or actually there's no cloud. Actually, in that direction, there are clouds. Yeah, surrounded by the mountains. Okay, I'm going to the river. And I, by the way, got this Mitsuya cider, fruit cider. Delicious, orange taste. Bye for now. For some reason, I like these stairs from the roof. Yeah, this area is quiet and people usually don't come here. Yeah, I like it. Somehow. Quiet, clean, and red. I like red. Okay, I want to ground. when I'm walking, wind can take me. This is making it difficult to even walk straight. Such a nice day. Oh. I love it. So lovely. Yay, nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. By the way, today it's, as I said, April 7th, and a week or 2 weeks ago, along the river, beautiful Sakura trees. So I wanted to come here, but in the, this week and in the last week, we didn't have a good day, like a sunny day like today. And it had been either cloudy or sometimes even rainy, nice. So I couldn't, because I knew it couldn't be so good anyway. Sakura, but I guess you can still see some Sakura flowers left on the branches. Yeah, those are Sakura trees, but as you can see, yeah, even on this side too, as you can see, all Sakura leaves, at least almost all of them, have gone. So it's a shame that I can let you see guys see Sakura trees along this river. If we had nice days, I believe I could have shown you nice Sakura trees, flowers along this river. But that's just a shame. But I came here last year, I think, and I made videos. So if you search for like Sakura river, at least Sakura, on my channel, I think you can find the videos. And flow of the river is really strong. It's so fast. I'm sorry if you only hear the noises. Wow, that's really fast. I mean, in this river, that's so fast. Wow. Ooh. They're enjoying it. Yeah, nice scenery anyway. Oh, wait. There are Sakura flowers still left. There. Damn, this is so strong. Wind. Yeah, you can see them. Hold on, I gotta climb here. Yeah, you can see them still. That's cool. Still beautiful. I know it's a bit too late to come here, but still beautiful. For me, at least. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Yeah, actually, it has been raining kind of heavy in the last few days. No, I mean from yesterday night. So maybe that's why the river is flowing kind of very hard, heavy. Usually this river is really calm. Oh. Wow. I definitely get drowned if I jump there. The amount of water flowing in is so lot. I can see it. If I slip from here, I think I would die. I can swim, but not in a rough river like this. Wow, that even looks scary to me. Anyway, I think I will just go take a walk along this river like in a year. I've done it before. Whoa, what's this sound? But today is really lovely sunny day. Oh, there's another good spot. So let's go there. Those clouds make it even more beautiful. And there are people walking. Maybe I will shut this off for a moment. Oh, hey. This area, about some 10 meters away from where I was, over there, look totally different. This whole area is underwater. Usually I think there's ground in the middle, but the amount of water is so lot today. This whole area is underwater now. Wow. I know you don't know how this river usually is. So maybe for you it's no surprise or nothing special, but to me, wow, look at that. That flows really fast. You see? Wow, that's really wow to me. Wow, すごっ。怖いな。I will go there. please hope I won't down. I mean die. Well, I would definitely die if I slip and fall down on the river, in the river. But I like river. I can look at this all day. What's that defined kind of Sakura? Totally white. That's still beautiful. I think I'd say bye-bye for now. I think it'll be just boring if I'm just walking. There's no much interesting things, I guess, for you. But anyway, I just wanted to film outside today because it's windy. Oh, 綺麗じゃん. This sakura is still beautiful and bloom. Maybe this is better this way. Damn. Yep, still beautiful. To me at least. I like it. Anyways, I guess I'd just say bye bye for now. And I go home and that's it. Bye. I hope you enjoyed it somehow. Maybe. Maybe not. Bye. Anyways. Just let's go, hey. Nice street.